Well, today is the 31st of May 2010 and we're here at Cromer and we have a few visitors, just a few. We are blessed here in Australia to have many birds, and Sulphur Crested Cockatoos are among my favourites. So we're just having a little bit of fun here. I think we have a flock of about 50 or 100 here, just interacting, and we've had a lot of wet weather just recently, so there's a lot of very hungry birdies, because there we are. And they're not only Sulphur Crested Cockatoos, we have a Long-billed Corella that's joined the flock here too. You want some too? Here you are, mate. Oh, here you are. Now, so not all these cockies are healthy. Just up here we can see a dear friend that's just walking away. I don't know if you can see him, but he's got a very overgrown beak and looks rather scrubby. And it's one of the young cockatoos. They look as old as the hills, but they're young cockies that have beak and feather disease. And down the bottom here we have a few cockies enjoying a bit of budgie mix that's been scattered far and wide for the sake of everyone getting a little of a lot rather than a lot of a little. That was close to my fingers. That was close to my fingers. You want some too? Okay, we need smaller bits. Smaller bits. Hello, you beautiful cockies. Hello. Hello. Greetings, cockies. We love you. We love you all. Here's a cheeky one. Whoa. This one's come right to the window. Hey. Here you are. Here you are. Who's coming? Who's coming? You dropped yours. You dropped yours, did you? Hey? There's a lot of debate as to whether we should feed wild birds in the urban environment or suburban environment, and the bottom line is that I'm one of the many who do. It's a very complex issue. If we're going to be purist, we shouldn't grow any plants in the garden that aren't native to the area. And certainly I advocate planting our gardens with natural vegetation and preserving natural trees such as this beautiful Angopera that you might be able to see in the background, and Melaleuca here. Here's a beak and feather cocky. Wait a minute, we'll give beak and feather cocky. This one's got beak and feather. No, my fingers, not my fingers. Ugh. Have to be quick around here. Keep a bit more for you, darling. Anyway, no, he's just
opportunist.
An opportunist birdie. There's a beak and feather one just up here, darling. There's another beak and feather one. Come down here. Come on, cocky. Come on, baby. Gotcha. Here's another beak and feather. There's our big boy. Cocky. Cocky. Quick, quick. Quick, quick. You see one with a beak and feather just here? You see one in this box? Pretty hard to survive. Okay. Sometimes it's cockatoos here, sometimes it's rainbow lorikeets, resident pigeons, and then there's the crested doves, a few Indian miners, in which there's a couple over in the background there wandering around, some Indian turtlenecks, some magpies, some butcher birds, some ravens, occasionally king parrots. They all come and say hello. How fortunate we are, and we don't have to put any of them in cages. Alright, well, say goodbye. Goodbye until next time.